Today I'm going to show you a simple technique. First, start by painting plain water on your paper. Before the water can dry, drop or tap some paint into the area you've already painted with water and let it dry. That's it. I've tried this again with some colored paint so that you can see where I'm placing the water, but try this technique with just the plain water. I love seeing where the paint will spread without me guiding it. If you try this technique, post it over on Instagram and use the hashtag #SnowberryChallenge. I can't wait to see what you create.